Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be hacking some different fidgets for school. I'm going to flip you guys over like 5 seconds. I'm upside down. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm going to set you guys up. Okay. Also, go check out my TikTok. The link of the description will be down below in the okay. You know what I mean, guys. So we're gonna first go through all the fidgets I already have in my backpack and see what else I can put in there. First thing I'm gonna pull out. Oh, my color's changing Slinky. Well, let's throw that in my bin. Yes, I have my fidget bin right in front of me. I have the stuffed puppet. My heart puppet. My favorite octagon puppet. Next, I got this color changing needle. Oh, wow. Sorry, guys. It fell on the floor. Oh, okay. Next, I have wacky track. Oh, I almost missed it. I didn't hear it. Okay, next I have my. It's full of grass. Okay. Butterfly puppet. Okay. Next I have this cat noodle. It's not a monkey noodle because it's not a monkey. It's still a monkey noodle. Next is this. Why am I looking over there? You're over here. Mini puppy, which I absolutely hate. Jumbo mochi. I missed again. Okay. I also have my dimple digit in there, but I still want to keep that in there. Oh, owl. Let me get all this grass off it. Super cute. Whoa. Missed it again. Mini duck puppet. And okay. Next, I'm going to just keep this stress ball in there. It's really nice. Sorry, I dropped something. Okay. So I'm just going to take that out for now. Next, there's another blocky track. Some mochis. Oh, my marble and mesh. So I'm making sure that's everything. Oh, nope, not everything. Yeah, I'm not gonna show that because it's not really. Oh, that looks so weird, probably. A ring. I love these things. I highly recommend these. After a little while, they do start hurting. Like, not hurt badly, though. Like, they feel really nice after a little. For too long, obviously, they will start hurting a little, though. Okay, first fidget going in. My stress ball. Next one going in will be, you guys cannot see anything down here. Next one going in will be my jumbo puppet. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna bring my dimple because I really like his thing. Okay, let's see. I have no idea what I dropped. Sorry guys, I'm looking. Swatting chicken thing. What do I call it? Flying chicken. Blue unicorn mochi. Actually, not this one. This one feels really good. Oh, here's my fidget trading board. Today I am going to do some fidget trading with one of my friends. So go check that video out. It will be after this video. Next I will put in, let me see. Sorry guys, you probably cannot see me. Oh, kinda can. I do this, and, okay, I'll show you in like 5 seconds. A little more than that. Sorry, I'm squishing the stress ball right now. I'm so bored. Even though I'm making a video. A mini monkey noodle and a jumbo monkey noodle. Whew, I can't breathe now. So far I need a little more puppets. I'm not gonna all my puppets. I have way more. Let's bring this elephant. It has amazing pops here. That side. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna bring it that. But silent. I'm going to bring both of my pop notes. Oh, they're Dr. Squish colors, aren't they? Yes, I watch Dr. Squish sometimes. Well, when I was younger, I still kind of do. Still, I like it small. Well, liked. I don't know if I still do, but still. I like that. I think I'm gonna bring my purple one. Well, I think I'm not gonna bring either of them actually. Oh, I keep like being weird and taking my breath away. There's no way in the world I'm ever bring my jumbo color changing unless they have the best world offer, because this is my favorite fidget, like most favorite fidget. And it's my mom's favorite fidget, so. Okay, never mind. Okay. I also have, ooh, that one's a good one for trading. It's not the best, but it's still a pretty good one. Jiggly slime. Big too. It's orange. Okay. my backpack's getting full. Yep, that's full. Almost. Okay. It's not a fidget. I just want to show you guys this. Super clicky and fun. Like a pen cap. I use a pen cap spring. I made a long time ago. I made a video how to make that, so go check that video out somewhere. Just scroll through all mine and eventually you'll find it. Okay. Oh. Minecraft villager sound. Oh. Ooh, well, not bring that. Completely interact, like completely melted. Like, is liquid. Well, bye bye slime, I guess. Hopefully that dries in peace. Well, next one. Why am I talking so weirdly today? I'm just so tired. What time is it? I have no idea what time it is. But yeah. Well, it's not a fidget. It's still fun. I'm not gonna bring it, but there's slime on it. Never mind. Bye. Not you guys. Bye. Not you guys. So, I don't know if anyone at my school ever seen a spike puppet. I make these. Also, shout out to one of my class members, Malia. I don't know if you're watching this video. If you are, hi. Because you watch my channel. I don't know if you're subscribed. I'll ask you tomorrow. Future you. I'm weird right now. Okay. It's actually really nice. It feels super cool. These aren't like a mess. They're also very nicely textured. Oh. This one's a bigger one. You guys watch my channel. You know how small these are. This one's a bigger one. Like a bigger one. Oh, this one has a little rip in it. It's not that bad though. Spike puppets are pretty good. Takes a little force to push them in, but not much. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put that one in there. And if any of my, if you guys want me to do more of these videos where I do stuff for school, comment down below. Actually, don't comment because I don't even know if we have comments on this video. But just get this to like, let's just at least get it to 10 likes, because why not? Simples for you guys, because I like this video. I want to do more of it, so simple. Just 10 likes. Super, super easy. Guys, when I get to 100 subscribers, I will make my own fidget and slime shop. So, wait for that. And it will be very fair prices. So, if we do get to 100 subscribers, I will give you guys, so there will be mystery boxes, fidget mystery boxes, slime mystery boxes, maybe a couple slimes on the side, maybe a mystery puppet. I don't know. What do you guys want? So, yeah. So get to 100 subscribers, guys. I'm waiting. Oh, also, my TikTok's already at 66, 67, maybe 68. Go check out my TikTok. I already told you it's gonna be in the description down below. I can make longer videos now. I can make it about 5 billion years long. Yeah, this is a boring video. pretty good poppet. I like it. Okay, I'm not going to bring that out because I like it too much. Sorry, some people hate whistling. Oh yeah, this is my new to old fidget board. If you want another one of these, also give a like. Yes, I have multiple boards in here because I need them for trading and stuff. Oh, I do have some microfilm, but this stuff is like the best. It's better than regular film. Oh my gosh, that's the best. Yeah, we're closing that baby right up. And we're going to see what else I have. Sorry guys, it doesn't like them. Oh my gosh. And I normally give updates when I like trade a fidget and when I get new fidgets. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, yes, I'll bring some regular foam. It's actually really nice in here. So, yeah. There's just a little. Ziploc baggies look very tacky, like when it's holding a fidget or something. Like super like annoying. Like, oh, okay, so you guys know poppet bracelets? I think. Sorry guys, I took it back on stand. So you guys know that they came out with poppet bracelets. I came out with a spike poppet bracelet. So when it goes on your wrist, it's either a sensory or it's a poppy. It doesn't want to pop. But oh, there we go. Oh no, never mind. That's not where we go. But yeah, I'm gonna bring my spike bracelet, spike poppet bracelet. It actually looks kind of cool on me. The bag is almost full, even though I said that like 5 hours ago. Okay. Next, I'll put. I'll go ahead and put this mini squishy. My channel, I'll show you how to use these. This one's actually a really nice one. It's super fun. I like this one, so I'm gonna put that in there. And I think I'll add one more thing. Oh, I found a yo-yo. Never mind. I was wrong about it, and I don't want. I've never scammed someone in my life, besides YouTube. Yeah, but I was supposed to. So like, yeah. Oh, this one's a really big spike poppet, like the same size as my head almost. For my final thing, I will get this red suction cup ball. I'm pretty sure that's all I'm gonna bring. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a like, comment down below. Actually, don't comment. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that. Sorry. Give a like, subscribe, and just remember, go check out my TikTok right down below. Bye. Bye.